Thanks for joining us for this events training video. In this video, we're going to pick up where we left off in the basic flow video. After we finished our session, we saw the Report tab, which has a list of all issues found across all the pages in that session. We saw the details behind each issue: issue type, issue description, WCAG reference, suggestions on how to fix it, the DOM snippet, selector, and more. Now, all the data is there. But before you finalize your report or open tickets, you may want to review the results, add additional notes, omit certain issues, or group issues into unique issues as opposed to all the instances of an issue. Let's see how we can do that. In our example, the travel homepage, we tested the flow of searching for a property. So that is what we want to focus on, and we may want to ignore some of the missing alt text issues in the lower part of the home page, since they are merely decorative images and not a part of the core functionality. We can start by going to the Report tab and filtering for alt image issues. Note that you can filter for any type of issue or page by type, severity, or group ID, and you can also filter by free text. So let's say alt image for now. Now we see a list of all alt image issues. Simply select all of them and click on Hide. You can also hide specific issues from within the issue detail page. Let's go back and select all issues again. This time we can sort them by component, and we see that we have a much smaller list of components. Let's say you want to add some notes to one of the issues. Click on the issue in the report table and go to the issue detail page. Here you can type all your notes. For example, copy the DOM snippet and make some suggested changes or comments for the developers. Here, let's remind them to add a tab index. These notes will be included in your final report or even in the Jira ticket. At this point, let's say we're done and happy with all the issues. Simply go back to the main report page, select all of them, and export them as a CSV. When you open the CSV, you will see it has all the same details as you saw in the report: issue type, issue description, WCAG reference, suggestions on how to fix it, the DOM snippet, selector, and even your notes. That's it. You're done. If you want, you can also open Jira tickets directly from the events report. In our case, we want to open one ticket per issue of a component. Simply drill into any issue and open a Jira ticket from this issue detail page. As you can see, it opens a pop-up with all the relevant details. Select whatever project and other details you want, and that's it. Click Publish, and you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information and examples, visit us on our website, knowledge base, Medium blog, and CodePen profile.